Morning folks, I'm back up on the mountain after my trip to Philly. I was hoping the chipper would be delivered while I was gone. However, talking to the shipping company, we live up here in New England and it's springtime, sort of. So the roads are a little soft. Some of the back roads get posted by the town like ours where no vehicles over a certain weight can go over them. So the delivery truck can't come up here till the signs are posted, which will probably be like another month. So after I drove home from Philadelphia yesterday, I drove another 150-mile round trip to go pick up the chipper at the shipping place. At home with the chipper last night, and here it is in the back of the truck. So we'll go ahead and unload this, put it together, and we'll go from there. Hopefully we'll get some good chipping done today.
I'm not sure if Tony told you or not, this is going to be our new chipper. This is how we get rid of all the brush and all the stuff we don't want to deal with. This is going to make it so much easier. Well, those forks on the tractor really help too.
All right, there you go, folks. One Titan wood chipper out of the pickup. Took it out with my Titan bucket forks, as a matter of fact. So we're going to start taking this thing apart. Well, taking the frame apart, and then we're going to put the chipper together, and we'll see how it works. Thanks a lot, folks. Alright, we got the chipper already on the tractor. It's all assembled. If you can show them the chipper. It's assembled, it's on the tractor. We already tested it out, so you don't have to see that part. We wanted something to put the chips in rather than just making piles out here in the woods. So this is the frame that the chipper came in. We wrapped it up in some chicken wire, and then we put it on a pallet. So we'll just go from the chipper straight into there, then we can move it and dump it wherever we want. What we're going to do now, we're going to fire this thing up and show you how it works. Be right back. Okay.
Go ahead. So this thing can take up to a 4-inch diameter. Will certainly help clean up around here.
See, this thing's going to be great for working around the property, for cleaning up all this stuff here. Joey will pan around and show you all the stuff. This is the area that we're clearing out for some animals, some produce, and probably the sawmill too. So we're going to get back to work now, chipping. We'll talk to you later. Bye. What we found is with the way the chipper's set up, we're getting these twigs coming through. So I want to make a little bit of an adjustment to the chipper so that those won't go through. So over here on our chipper, you just remove this one bolt here. I've already got it loosened. remove that one bolt, and you come over here, and you can fold the chute down, and that exposes the blades. Now, with those blades, put that bolt there. Here's the blades here that do the actual cutting. And down here is a little guide for them. Now, what I think the issue is that my gap between this guide and the blades is too big. So I want to close that down a little bit. So I'll just loosen up these bolts that hold that down. And I can slide that in a little bit. I'm going to peek in there and see what my distance is. Okay, I've got it closed down quite a bit. I just want to make sure all the blades are about the same. And they are. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and tighten that up. Just make sure it stayed even. And it looks like it did, so I'll finish tightening. Tight. I don't want to go over tight. I have a habit of snapping bolts sometimes when I go too tight. Okay, we'll go ahead with that. We'll check that once again before we close this up. Our gap looks pretty good. It's a lot smaller than it was. Hopefully that'll solve the problem. So, I'm going to go ahead and close this back up. Take that piece there out. Put that bolt back in. Tighten them up. And then we'll try it again. We'll let you know how it works. Well, we just spent a couple hours with the new chipper. That thing's incredible. It chips stuff that we really didn't think that it would. Here's a pile of some of the chips that we did. Show them some chips. That's just one pile. We also filled that crate and
Started another one.
And we got a pile over here. We got another pile going over there. It chipped up quite a bit. So we'll continue to use that as we continue clearing and building up the homestead. So once again, howdy from the mountain. Y'all have a good night.